In this video, I'll show you how to make inspiration for logo. So I'm going to open up my Grok. So I'll just come in and type in, I want to create a fintech crypto startup. So you type, I need good logo inspirations. So whatever you want to create, you need to just do this. So send it. So we're going to wait for it to load up. So right now, you're going to be able to read through what Grok has for us. Okay, right now, if you read through, you're going to be able to see this. So you can see. So creating a fintech crypto startup is an exciting venture. So if you look through here, you're going to be able to see like different thing altogether. So like it's a lot, So you can come on here and select the particular one you want for your startup. So you can see this is a modern fintech logo with fluid lines and tech motifs. So you can see all of them. So this was really good and nice. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.